module. Cancer treatments involve hundreds of sensitive steps, and even a small workflow mistake can leads to life-threatening. Our orchestration engine brings real-time intelligence to cancer hospitals using computer vision, IoT and deep learning verification. It monitors every clinical actions like chemotherapy, radiotherapy, even single injection, and instant flag missing or delay step which are oncology errors linked to workflow actions and cancer cases rising rapidly in 30%, which is reported by WHO. And hospitals also need automation which ensure accuracy and transparency. Our systems can be worked, which can show in PPT by using these tech stack. And then come to the point of impact, we are creating a global, as we all know, health sector is an evergreen sector, which is we are the innovators, which helps to health sector as evergreen. So here is a prototype.